Reignite Lost Love, the X Factor Guide. Heartbroken and desperate to win your ex back? This is your ultimate guide, the X Factor. Rediscover the love you thought was lost forever. Our step-by-step approach will help you mend broken hearts and reignite the passion you once shared. In this video, we aim to guide you through the delicate process of rekindling lost love. Whether it's been days or months since the breakup, our proven strategies will help you navigate the journey back to each other's hearts. The first step is self-improvement. Focus on personal growth and becoming the best version of yourself. By enhancing your qualities and addressing any flaws, you'll not only boost your confidence, but also become more attractive to your ex. Give them space. Respecting their need for some breathing room is crucial. This time apart allows both of you to gain clarity and perspective on the relationship, making it easier to address the issues that led to the breakup. Analyze the breakup. Reflect on what went wrong to avoid repeating mistakes. Understanding the reasons behind your separation is essential for making positive changes and ensuring that you don't fall into the same patterns again. Suggesting a casual meetup can be nerve-wracking, but approach it with confidence and a laid-back attitude. Choose a neutral, comfortable location. Keep the invitation light and non-committal, emphasizing that it's just to catch up and see how each other is doing. When you do meet, keep the atmosphere light and positive. Avoid diving into heavy or emotional topics. Focus on enjoying each other's company and reliving moments of fun and laughter. This helps ease any tension and rebuilds a sense of camaraderie. Show through your actions that you've genuinely changed. Let your ex see the improvements you've made, whether it's through your demeanor, habits, or how you handle conversations. Authentic change speaks louder than words and demonstrates your commitment to personal growth. Rebuilding a relationship takes time, and patience is crucial. Don't rush the process or push for immediate results. Allow your ex to see that you respect their pace and are willing to take things slowly, nurturing the relationship step by step. Be mindful of common pitfalls that can derail your progress. Avoid coming across as needy, desperate, or manipulative. Stay grounded and maintain your dignity. Keep the focus on positive interactions and mutual respect, avoiding past mistakes that led to the breakup. Leverage your shared happy memories to rekindle the spark by reminiscing about the good times. Highlighting these moments can remind your ex why you were great together, creating a positive foundation for rebuilding your relationship with a sense of nostalgia and warmth. Honest and open communication about your feelings and expectations is crucial. By being transparent, you foster a deeper connection and understanding. This approach helps clear any misunderstandings, paving the way for a healthier and more authentic relationship moving forward. Rebuilding trust takes time and consistent effort. Show your ex through actions that you are dependable and genuine. Small, consistent gestures of reliability and honesty will gradually restore their confidence in you, making it easier to mend the broken bond. Keeping the romance alive is essential for a lasting relationship. Regularly surprise your ex with thoughtful gestures and kind words. These small romantic actions can reignite the passion and show that you are committed to keeping the relationship vibrant and loving. Sometimes, professional help is necessary to navigate complex emotions and issues. Relationship counseling can provide valuable insights and tools for both partners. Seeking help demonstrates your dedication to making things work and can significantly improve your chances of a successful reconciliation. Keeping the romance alive is crucial for sustaining a rekindled relationship. Simple gestures like surprise dates, handwritten notes, or even a heartfelt text message can work wonders. Consistent effort shows your commitment and keeps the spark burning brightly between you. Sharing success stories can be incredibly motivating. Real-life testimonials from those who have successfully navigated the journey back to love can provide hope and practical insights. Hearing how others overcame similar struggles makes the path seem less daunting. Expert insights offer valuable perspectives that can guide you through the complexities of rekindling a relationship. Relationship experts can provide actionable advice and proven strategies. Their wisdom helps you avoid pitfalls and increases your chances of success. Summarizing the key points ensures that the main steps are clear and memorable. A quick recap helps reinforce the important actions you need to take. It serves as a handy reference for viewers, making it easier to follow the guide. Encourage viewers to take action by downloading the X Factor Guide for more detailed help. This comprehensive resource dives deeper into each step, offering additional tips and strategies. It's a valuable tool for anyone serious about winning back their ex. Take the first step toward rekindling your lost love by downloading the X Factor Guide. Packed with detailed advice and actionable steps, this guide offers everything you need to rebuild your relationship and reconnect with your ex on a deeper level. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support means the world to us, and we look forward to helping you on your journey to love.